guys, it's London. So today, you can see I'm outside. I wish I could turn this camera around. I don't know how. What would that do? I don't know. Alright, so, but we actually, today, we are going to go on a little nature walk in my backyard. So I'll show you my backyard because you can kind of see it's pretty big. Yeah. Alright, so over here, we are going to be going over here today, but we'll go over there later, maybe in the day, or maybe even in this video. Give this video a big, I'm so sorry for the lighting, give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see me do it in this video. So that's how I know, guys. Alright, so we have this right here. I'm going to be jumping over it, so I'll put this on my GoPro Vision. Alright, let's go. Ready? Ooh, that was pretty good. Alright, I'll take it off. Alright, so we ended up over here. That is our big green mansion house. Alright, I never did a house tour, but you can kind of, whoa, cool, sun in the background, but you can kind of see my house is pretty big. So I haven't done a house tour yet, but I will, probably maybe like today or something. So there is this house. There is my friend in there. Her name is Gracie. And then two boys over there. And my house right there. I'll be showing you probably today just because I want to. All right, let's go GoPro Vision in a second. We'll jump over there. Just want to show you all these houses like down here. So if you want to visit me somewhere, the place I'd be is like, I don't know, like going to McDonald's or something. I don't know, like somewhere that you like, I don't know, like a restaurant or something. I might be going to the trampoline park or something. We'll do something fun, definitely like that in GoPro Vision, so that'd be fun. So now let's go on GoPro Vision to jump over this thing again. Let's go. You guys are probably wondering what it'd be like if I got stuck in that. So here, guys, I'm just going to touch it. I'll go and GoPro Vision. Just going to touch it a very little bit. So that is what it's like. It is, if you were wondering, it is like you can step on it like ice. It is not. So there you go. Just telling you. It's like that. It's like so weird. I don't know. There might be like a fish in there. I don't really know. Here, let's go check this out. Maybe we can go in the front yard. I'm in the backyard right now. That's the front yard out there. Maybe I should show you, like, maybe we should, like, look, I'll show you a close-up of these trees. They're, like, so pretty. I'll do GoPro Vision. So this title of the video will be called A Nature Walk in My Backyard. Hey, guys, if you have a phone, iPad, computer, anything, you have any friends, parents that you have, just share this video to them and make sure they subscribe. Leave a comment. That's a good comment. It doesn't have to be, but only if you want to. Share it. Tell them to give a comment. Tell them to like the video. Tell them to subscribe to the channel. All right, let's move on. So this is like the cherry red tree. It's not cherry reds. Doesn't grow cherries, but we'll get to that later. The part that actually grows food. All right, so here. I know you guys are probably wondering, blow a dandelion. So here, let me get in the shade a little bit more because the sun's like right there. Whoa, I just hit my phone. That happened. All right, so I'm in the shade a little bit more. All right, so you guys can see me now. This is a great view. All right, let's go. What should we wish for? How about let's wish for 1 million subs on the channel. We are at 23. Not very good, but we're going to make some progress. And now I'm going to start posting every single day. Except I'm not going to post on Tuesdays. So sorry. But I'll post on the weekends a lot, probably. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. What's on my nose? It's here. You guys can play too. Go ahead, make a wish. I should probably get a new one. Just threw that one on the ground. Ready here, guys? 1, 2, 3. Make a wish. There we go. All right. you guys at home that made a wish, good job. Let's go. See over there? Working on the truck. All right, let's go. All right, so this right here says my name, London. It says 2017. I know, but look, you see my handprints right here? I know hard to see, but my handprints are there. It says London, 2017. You should change that and say 2018 now. All right, so guys, I will start uploading Fortnite videos if I can. And if you can get it on Android, I will definitely start uploading a whole lot. But you guys, tell me in the comments below. Whoa, that's so much sun. Tell me, here, let's sit right here. Tell me in the comments below how to upload videos on the PS4. If you do that, I will subscribe to your channel, like all your videos, and give you a comment that's not hateful. So if you guys can just do that, I will do all that stuff I just said. I'm not going to repeat that again. But you can rewind the video if you don't remember. Alright, so just give me some tips, like say PS4, go to camera, upload a video, and then share it to your YouTube. So if that's the case, just say that in the comments. Alright, but here's another dandelion. I think he's playing basketball out here. Let's go check. Let's go on GoPro Vision. I knew you were playing basketball.
I'm not.
Here you are.
Bouncing it.
Well, here, guys, let's go get my ball. Ooh, what's that? But here, guys, here, I can set this up somewhere. Maybe that it won't fall. Maybe like right here. Hey, I'm sorry. But, no. It'd be cool, like, if you could just go like that. Maybe you can. I don't know how this will work out. Is that fine, guys? You tell me if that's good. Or is it like, yeah, like that's good.
Yeah, guys.
Hey. Wait, ready?
Ready.
Back. I have not done gymnastics for a while, so good. I'm just kidding. All right, let's move on. Don't worry about that. But if you guys want to see me drive this bad boy for a little bit, put a comment, hashtag drive it, all right, in the comments below. This is my bike that I don't know how to ride. Great. If you guys are learning and you're like 5 or 6, something, and you're learning how to ride your bike, just put hashtag trying to learn how to ride my bike in the comments below. Because I'm 8 right now, and I don't even know how to drive a bike. So you guys put your age in the comments below. Of how old you guys. I'm not going to hack you or something. Right, so just do that. Here, that means it's probably on, so be careful for that. Careful for spiders. Because this thing I haven't drove for a really long time. I'm kind of scared. Ready? Ready, guys? Tell me, guys, if I'm good. All right, I'm going to set this up right here. All right, ready? We are going to try to get out of this mess. We are definitely going to get out of this somehow. Oh, we're getting out of it, don't worry. Sorry. Here, let's go like that. Here we go, finally! I think we got it. Sorry. Let's play in a little bit more of the shade. I could buckle you guys up. That'd be so funny. Still right now. Sorry. But I'm gonna buckle you guys. Is that them? Guys! It's them!
I think that you may have completely completely lost your mind.
What? Are they gonna drive into us? Huh? Go! Ah! Go, guys! Hurry! Ah! Ah! Go! Go! That's not even them! That's not... Oh. Sorry. I'm sorry for yelling. It is them. Here, maybe we could go like this vision. Guys, if you want more of this driving, you guys tell me. Ew, that's disgusting.
Thing's so dirty. Here, let me give you some white.
Here, guys, we're gonna wipe my Mustang off. Let's just do that. Here, guys. I wish I could wash it, but... Alright, guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. This is only part 1. So, if you want to see me wipe my Mustang off in part 2,
Look how clean that is.
bye. Wait till the next time.